Ladies and gentlemen, the day's program will focus on the theme, ability to shine through our heroes. This special day will see the participation of students with special needs, display their hidden and possessed talents, abilities. This day is meant to recognize their abilities and not their disabilities as unique, special, and equal individuals. It was revealed during a Special Olympics workshop that we should recognize the presence of individuals with special needs in our society and treat them with fairness and equality. They are an integral part of family and society. We hope that through the collective support of everyone gathered here today, more heroes will be unearthed. The Special Olympics is considered to be the world's largest sporting organization for children and adults with intellectual disabilities or special needs, providing year-round training and competitions to more than 4.2 million athletes in 170 countries. The participation of these children today is proof to the fact that they are part of a worldwide movement of a very special group of people as citizens of this universe. Many Fijians know my life story, and I will repeat some details for those who don't this morning. At 3 years old, I lost my leg in a tragic bus accident, and it was obviously a terrible blow for me and my loved ones. I decided when I grew up that being disabled would not hold me back, and I was more determined to prove myself. Like many disadvantaged Fijians, I tend to sport. I found out later that even with one leg, I could become a good athlete. I specialized in the high jump discipline, and that's when my sporting career took off. I competed at the Far East and South Pacific Games for the disabled in 2006 and won a silver medal at the PC Athletics World Championships in Christchurch, New Zealand in 2011, and then a gold medal at the 2012 Summer Paralympics in London. So I would like to emphasize that such events as this one shouldn't be treated lightly. It deserves very attention to detail with much recognition from all stakeholders. This event could be a launching pad for a talented individual yet to be unearthed. Today could be a dawn of a bright new future for someone with special needs similar to me in any discipline. I will never forget how proud I was to compete for Fiji in the Paralympics, where I became the first Fijian to win an Olympic medal. I wrapped myself in the flag after I cleared the bar, and I could hear the cheers of the crowd for Fiji. But I never dreamt that my win would mean so much for people back home. The day I arrived back in Fiji was a day that I will never forget. The large crowds cheering me were very humbling for a boy from Nandrala, Nadonga. While I felt that I didn't deserve so much attention, I was very touched. And I simply turned Fijian hero in one single event. I thank everyone for that support. For that supported me, especially the government for the house built for me. I did what I did at the games for myself, but it was wonderful to realize that it meant so much to others, and especially those Fijians who are disabled. I wish to reiterate what I have been saying wherever I go. No matter what disabilities someone might have, it is no barrier to living a satisfying and meaningful life. And this morning, I would like to emphasize that if I can win a gold medal in high jump with one leg, anything is possible with anyone with disability. I am now elected a representative of the people and Assistant Minister for Youth and Sports. I have to admit that I can hardly believe it myself, but it is a challenge. But anything is possible with the help of those around me. I now can certainly tackle the task before me with the same determination I had when I leaped over that bar in London. Students, ladies and gentlemen, these 2 days should be of great fun. If one thing is to prevail, that is equal participation for all. The beauty of these 2 days is that organizers, family and friends will look beyond the athletes limited ability and disability and give them courage for mass participation to these special athletes. The idea of elitism should not be entertained, and mass participation encouraged in all areas of competition during the 2 days events. I would like to take this opportunity and especially thank all the guardians, parents, and caregivers. You are our heroes in our own special way. Your patience has to be commended for the care, love, and support you constantly provide. To the teachers, trainers, and coaches, thank you for your patience, having to endure long hours in coaching our special athletes. You all are what make our world a better place. This day wouldn't be and won't be of great meaning and purpose without your presence. Government recognizes that our nation to reach the pinnacle of success and to maintain a holistic and sustainable growth, we must channel substantive and constant effort on our young people despite their status. Sports development is one of the key platforms that are considered pivotal in our efforts to lay a solid foundation for our young people. In this respect, the Fijian government will provide support and harness sports development in Fiji in every form. I hope that this event is the culmination and application of strategies and things adopted from the Special Olympics workshop held earlier this year. I am adamant that this event will improve skills and to develop networks and friendships that could last a lifetime. Additionally, participating in sports, either for competition or leisure, can lead most automatically to a healthy society and nation. In Fiji, non-communicable diseases and other related illnesses are currently very costly to families and to our nations. It is therefore in everyone's interest to identify solutions. Sports development and health education are pragmatic ways forward. In other words, a sporting nation is a healthy nation. Sports will continue to be a major vehicle for youth development in Fiji, as we continue to recognize its contribution to Fiji's economy, national unity, and social inclusiveness. I have no doubt that this event will provide opportunities for youth to participate in sports and demonstrate and appreciate the values it offers to those that are currently successful in sports. May I add that this is also a good time to be thinking about what will you do as in the new National Sports Holiday next year. I wish you all a safe and fun-filled sports day, and that everyone will enjoy today in a spirit of good sportsmanship. I now declare the 2014 Annual Sports Day for Special and Inclusive Schools open.
Thank you.